don't even think we're winning the battle right now. I think a ton of the world is doing what I call big, dumb money, which is what I think indexing does. It doesn't draw distinctions between excellent enterprises and mediocre ones. It just sloshes big, dumb money everywhere. It actually makes the job easier, in my mind, for stock pickers when everybody else doesn't care. They just want to get the gentleman's C of index fund investing. So,
what if you could find a way to make significantly higher returns than index funds? My friend Kyle and I have done it, and we are not alone. Let's discover how a few great investors like Joel Greenblatt, Howard Marks, Chris Camillo, and Nicolas Darvas made millions all using different strategies.
I'd rather be a little, not as smart and a little bit lazy, but go for, Warren Buffett would call them 1-foot hurdles. Why go around looking for 10-foot hurdles to jump over if you could find some 1-foot ones? So I don't have to be all that smart to be good if I'm looking in the right places.
In a talk at Wharton University, Howard Marks and Joel Greenblatt shared some of their secrets to being great investors.
Joel, I wrote a memo in January of 14 called Getting Lucky. And I told the story of a guy who was working on becoming a better poker player. So he was working on learning the odds of getting the cards you need, the odds that the hand you had would beat other hands, the tells that tell you whether the other side is bluffing or not. And his uncle said to him, "You're wasting your time trying to become a better poker player. Why don't you just find an easier game?" And it sounds to me like what you did is look for what you thought were easy games.
Joel writes about his strategy in more detail in The Little Book That Beats the Market. He focuses on companies with a high profit margin that sell at a discount. Famed investor Charlie Munger is also a believer in finding a more accessible game. He talks about it during the Daily Journal's 2020 annual meeting.
But basically, all investment is value investment in the sense that you're always trying to get better prospects than you're paying for. And so, but you can't look everywhere at once, just any more than you could run a marathon in 12 different states at once. And so you have to have some system of picking some place to look, which is your hunting ground. But you're looking for value in every case. And we all do better hunting when we're hunting where the hunting is easy. I have a friend who's a fisherman. He says, I have a simple rule for success in fishing. Fish where the fish are. You want to fish where the bargains are. That's simple.
In the next chapter, find out how one trader went from under $100,000 to over $40 million by trading purely on information.